sunburst flowers calling on warm days over.
Yeah, Post Malone. Woo! Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's get weird, bud. Yeah.
Austin Richard Post hi Post Malone ti a shat lar zo kani a July nili kumsa khazakwa sumkwa panga a Syracuse New York USA apiang ani ama hi American rapper singer songwriter le record producer ani a apa hi Rich Post ani a nushona niya aming chu Jody ani apa hi disc jockey DJ ani china apa hian music shang hip hop country le rock te hi along mil sha tier chin to a Post hi kumkwa ani in apa na pangin Grapevine Texas anin sona guitar pertunwa mati na zir chana video game Guitar Hero ti ena tangin guitar chu a zero chana first impression Post hian kumsom pani ani lai tangin Guitar Hero hi akhel thin thua soya he game sa po hian athiam hleya expert level te po chu thlengin a hne thei hleya guitar tak tak nei chu adu ta a anu in Christmas present atan guitar chu a pe a
So I got my mom, I told her to buy me a guitar for Christmas and I started making music then.
he guitar tak tak an nei chu arin ai na lo ulvak lawa
How similar was Guitar Hero to playing a regular guitar?
It was horrible. The transition was awful.
So none of that.
Nothing. It's the same.
It looked easy on the game, like
Right.
you just hitting the colors and you watch.
music lama a dream te chu ti puitlin zel atuma kumsang ni soma kumsom pangami lekani in band pakhat American rock band Crown the Empire ti achwana auditiona mase a perform laklo line a guitar free chu achata ama po a nervous pha hleya atling talawani kumsom parukani in a mixtape masabera siama young and after them riches ti ania he digital audio editor audacity manga asiama nia he a mixtape hi an skula a chian te hne na te chuan share a play saka heti lai han Grapevine High School a akal meka most likely to become famous an vote phahiala a thia te chuan nalan ti hleya school danga te po share lo phahiala apa music lama lo boy pui thin tu po chuan nala ti hleya Post hi Chicken Express ate po alaw thok ve thin ani Terent County College akala heti lai hian la aphwa na sa hleya music lama a in focus na sat ema wangin college chu aban sana Los Angeles California a thian pa Minecraft YouTuber lar tak Jason Props nen full time music in concentrate turin anin sonta a request my chariot get ya an inson na chan hi chu a thian pa YouTuber hi LA inson atuma post hi ashila post one poisa engma kanei lawa karun kal venga karul le vikang che atia chu an kal ma kar ni a chung te ashil boka ti chuan an kalta ani Los Angeles a inson nu chuan a inson puya thian pa Jason Purple amale zai thiam dang tenin group te an siam music te an record hau thina a member puiten en chuan Saint Fernando Valley an in sonta a heti hun live vel hian music video alo siama
Hey. Now see, there's a misunderstanding is that these are Stone Cold Steve Austin songs.
fiam thu de rewa siama ni nge a alar nu hian he video hi aron lar chuak le ama se post hian he video hi adu riau thu soya baka mi te hi thu tak reng reng anungin an buaya tia engma ani lawa serious rang big lawa himchanga omve angai thu te soi chuaka
Yeah, that's my shit. I made this video when I was 17 years old. Like this is just for fun. I feel like people are too busy acting hard to have fun.
Have fun. Nigga.
Have fun with it. I mean, what is this? This is nothing. I'm hitting this motherfucker right here.
He hit the motherfucking wave on there.
Elea a chu kum khathung chu poisa a thok chuak lem lawa thil tha a thleng lem lo boka a guitar la ti bole ngala
Like a Suburban, and someone broke into the back and stole the back seats without us knowing.
And the guitar.
And his guitar.
Mase San Fernando Valley an umlai hian FKI mi first don le rich te atunga a white Iverson produce saktu Rex Kudopo heta hen atunga ni tichuan kumsang ni sombanga February a chuan ahla white Iverson chu SoundCloud ta ama account na a upload ta mi nan lo du le a zan khat leka stream po sang sari lai lo ni a Wiz Khalifa le Mac Miller te po chuan a music an du zia chuan lo soi hiala a lo thlin tak ema chuan a bc na te po chu lo sang ve ta a white Iverson tan chuan a music video shoot chu ati le masaber turani mase a bank account na dollar sanga chia oma mase a chian te poisa te chu puk chopin a video chu asiam ta a tuna hian YouTube a 756 million views lai ani to ani he a video hi a upload atanga thakhat leka 1 million views aneya record label te beng po athleng ta a kumsang ni sompanga ugasa chuan Republic Records nen recording contract chu assign ta a rapper lo hlo tlingsa Kanye West 50 Cent Young Thug tele midang te po atho pui chhota zela kumsang ni sompanga August tha a Kylie Jenner birthday a kumsom pariat na a performa heta hian Kanye West ne nanin tonga Kanye hian a music te chu alo du hlea Kanye single Faith a album The Life of Pablo amia chuan an collaborate ta hiala anwa Canadian zai thiam le hlapwa thiam Justin Bieber nen an inkom chawin Justin Bieber propose a world tour opening act a atang ta hiala
Opening for Justin Bieber, dude, so you could like just let me in, bro.
April ni somni kumsang ni som paroka a single thar Go Flex ti chu amasaberatan Zayn Louis show a perform ani kumsang ni som parok May ni som pania a full length project mixtape August 26 ti chu a release a debut album Hasaber Stony ti chu December ni kuha kumsang ni som paroka a release he album a single Congratulations ti hi a hit leya US Billboard 200 a number 6 aron ni a February ni somni pathum kumsang ni som pariata ahla Psycho chu a release a Billboard Hot 100 a number 2 ania ahla top 10 na alan voi thumna ani April ni somni pasari kumsang ni som pariata a album pani na Beerbongs and Bentleys ti chu a release li a Spotify a ni khatna a 78.7 million stream lai ni a Billboard 200 a number 1 ani boka a shal nim leya RIAA chuan platinum a certified boka ni September ni ru kumsang ni som pakwa a studio album pathum na Hollywood's Bleeding chu a release li a Billboard 200 a number 1 ani le a single paruka oma Billboard Hot 100 a he album a single Wow chu number 2 a oma a single How Goodbye hi number 3 a oma a single pakhat le Circles po number 2 a oma a hla reng reng a hit chawa a hlo tling chho zela du le ngai na tu anga tel telani ama hi atakin le machang lawa ani na ang hian na lang to pani anui peya amel mu anwa me ma a music hi tu pon thalai chi ani lawin no pangle tar thlagin an ngai na a
he has his own unique groove. He does have a bit of a different vibe, a bit of a different style.
Tun kumsang ni som pakwa a AMA Award November ni som ni paliya nei tura po nomination nga berani aming post Malone ti hi rap name generator mga apho ani a post ti lai hi chu aming pa nga yami ni in Malone ti lai hi generator mga apho ani anxiety nei ani a alung len thin ja te asoya ama hi mijak theilawa ni lawa a nervous ve thin em boka interview don bel te phe hi chuan zu te po a in pha thin ni in asoi Lil Peep a ui zia lan tirnan akuta Lil Peep lem ta tu anayani
Congratulations on all you've done. We're so very proud of you. And, you know, keep doing you, keep being you.
Billy's man, I feel just like a rock star. All my brothers got that gas and they always be smoking like a rock star.